We're in Midtown West today on West 53rd between 9th and 10th Avenue. Come on in, let's take a look at this 3-bedroom apartment. Beautiful, luxurious renovations. Little closet space there. Hallway taking us back to the bedrooms. First bedroom can easily fit a queen. Oversized window and closet space. Second bedroom can easily fit a queen as well. Great exposed brick. And a lot of good closet space there as well. Third bedroom can easily fit a queen as well. Oh, and there it is, bam, in-unit washer dryer. Modern kitchen there. Come on down, take a look. This could be your next home.